This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, May the 21st. I'm Michael Groff. Seasonably warm and dry weather will continue for the foreseeable future here across the Southwest. A bit of a warming trend coming in here by this weekend. How long can we go without any rain? Well, we're already at 71 days without measurable precipitation here in the valley. That trend likely to continue for a while. Let's get into it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 99 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 72, and that's right about where we should be for this time of year. Outside right now here at 8:05 a.m., mostly sunny skies in the valley. Just a few high clouds out there. And we are already at 81 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 36, humidity 20%, the wind from the south-southeast at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. It's in the 60s at Buckeye, but most of us are in the 70s and low 80s here in the 8 o'clock hour. Water vapor satellite view. We've got an upper low here over the southwest states, and you might think that that could generate some clouds and precipitation, but not in this part of the state. Any of that will stay well to our north and west for a while. The water vapor satellite view, we do have a red flag warning in effect for parts of the eastern Mogollon Rim, the White Mountains, as again, with breezy to locally windy conditions and continued low relative humidity, the fire danger will be elevated. Fire weather watch for the entire state of Montana, some dense fog advisories in parts of Kansas and Nebraska. Otherwise, most of the country is actually pretty quiet this morning. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Indianapolis over toward Columbus, Ohio, with the marginal risk for much of the Midwest. Another marginal risk zone, parts of New Mexico and West Texas, as well as sections of Wyoming, Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas. A little bit of thunder possible right on the border of Arizona there in the extreme northwest part of our state and hugging our eastern border, and we'll get into the details of that in just a moment. Checking the tropics, we do have a little wave developing out there over the western Caribbean, and this could be a small factor for parts of the southeast U.S. in coming days. I don't expect any major tropical development with this feature, but certainly a tropical depression or maybe a minimal tropical storm is not completely 100% out of the question, but it is for the next couple of days. We'll see how that progresses. And rainfall for the next 7 days across Arizona, basically nothing statewide. The lone exception being across far northwest Arizona. Could see a couple hundredths of an inch there, as we do have an upper low parked over the southwest. And we'll get into the details of that now as we check the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our upper low spinning around. This looks kind of foreboding, and in normal circumstances, especially in the winter, we might be talking about a decent rain event out of this. However, this system is just not going to be tapping into any moisture in our part of the state. We stay dry. There's certainly dynamics with this feature, but you have to go to the north and west to find any hopes of some rain. Down at the surface, widely scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms over the eastern Sierra and the Great Basin, parts of the Intermountain West. But here in Arizona, warm and dry. High temperatures, low to mid-90s this afternoon with mostly sunny skies. It will be locally breezy this afternoon. Tonight, other than a few high clouds, mostly clear skies and lows mainly in the 60s to low 70s. And tomorrow, I'd say highs 90 to 93 with mostly sunny skies. Again, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, eastern Sierra, Intermountain West, north of Arizona. Maybe a couple of showers or storms across the northern part of our state. But you have to go north of Flagstaff, up toward maybe Page. The north rim of the Grand Canyon, perhaps there might be a stray shower or two up there. Taking a look at Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, ridging trying to build in from the east, high temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 90s. Thursday should see highs right around 100 with mostly sunny skies. Friday, 100 to 103, mostly sunny skies. Another upper low begins to slide down the west coast. We'll watch this feature, but I don't think it's going to have any meaningful impact on our weather. That upper low deepens a bit as we go toward Saturday, kicking off the Memorial Day weekend. Widely scattered showers and storms perhaps start to develop over the Sierra, but nothing for us around here. Maybe some breezy conditions in the afternoon. Highs upper 90s to around 102 as ridging holds strong to the east of our state. Sunday, again, widely scattered showers and storms to our north and west as that upper low begins to get deflected by the ridge and stays north of Arizona. That's pretty typical for this time of year. High temperatures, once again, upper 90s to about 102. And then a week from today, this is Memorial Day, Monday, the 28th of May. Got that upper low north of the state. Heights coming down just a little bit, right about where they should be. And that means high temperatures right about where they should be. And that means somewhere in the 97 to 100 degree bracket this time of year. Here's Tuesday the 29th. Dry southwesterly flow. Another trough approaching the west coast. This one a little bit sharper, but I think, again, most of the energy and dynamics will ultimately stay to our north. And here's the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday the 30th. Still looks dry with southwesterly flow. Temperatures, I'd say, fairly seasonal. Highs upper 90s to about 103. Maybe just a touch warmer in a few desert spots. Looking at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, more or less in the realm of average for the next few days. But then look what happens as we get out toward the end of the month and head into June. High temperatures getting up toward 106, 107. Never know, could even be warmer than that as the ensemble still forecasts a major heat wave coming in here. We'll see how that plays out. And that will just about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a great Monday, everybody.